Did you know that within just 24 hours, you can give your immune system a major boost, all naturally and effectively? Imagine waking up tomorrow with more energy and a stronger defense against colds and flu, without needing any pills or complicated routines. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's entirely possible with a few simple, science-backed steps that anyone can follow. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful, science-backed ways to supercharge your immune system that you can start right now. These aren't just quick fixes. They're habits that can make a lasting difference in your overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to fend off that seasonal cold or just want to feel your best every day, these tips are for you. Ready to feel your best? Let's dive in and explore these tips. So if you're ready to wake up tomorrow feeling rejuvenated and fortified, stick around. We're about to explore some easy, effective ways to give your immune system the boost it truly deserves. Trust me, your body will thank you. Let's get started.
Your body needs water to function properly, and your immune system is no different. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health. When you're hydrated, your blood circulates better, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your immune cells, which helps them function more efficiently. Start your day with a big glass of water. This simple habit can set the tone for a well-hydrated day. It's the simplest way to kickstart your hydration and ensure you're on the right track from the moment you wake up. Throughout the day, keep a water bottle handy and make it a habit to take sips regularly. This helps maintain consistent hydration levels. Why is this so important? Because consistent hydration supports every system in your body. Well, hydration helps flush out toxins and ensures that your organs are functioning optimally, which is essential for a strong immune system. Your kidneys, for example, rely on water to filter waste from your blood. Proper hydration supports their function. When you're dehydrated, this process slows down, potentially leading to a buildup of toxins that can compromise your immune system and overall health. Also, consider adding a slice of lemon or a splash of natural fruit juice to your water. This can make hydration more enjoyable. Not only does it make drinking water more enjoyable, but it also adds a tiny boost of vitamins and antioxidants, which are beneficial for your health. Herbal teas are another excellent way to stay hydrated and can offer additional health benefits depending on the herbs used. They can be a soothing alternative to plain water. Remember, it's not just about drinking water. Eating water-rich foods also contributes to your hydration. Foods with high water content like cucumbers are great for keeping you hydrated. Oranges and strawberries are also excellent choices. These fruits and vegetables not only hydrate but also provide essential nutrients. So make sure to include these in your diet. They are delicious and hydrating. Hydration is a simple yet powerful way to support your immune system. It's an easy habit to adopt with significant benefits. By keeping your body well hydrated, you're ensuring that your immune cells can move freely and do their job effectively, protecting you from illnesses. So grab that water bottle and make hydration a priority today. Your immune system will thank you.
It's because it engages multiple bodily systems. It helps flush bacteria out of your lungs and airways, reducing your chances of getting a cold, flu, or other illness, and improving respiratory health. It also causes changes in antibodies and white blood cells, making them circulate more rapidly and detect illnesses earlier, providing a quicker response. If you're new to exercise, start slow and gradually increase your intensity to avoid injury and build endurance. The goal is to make it a regular part of your routine. Even activities like gardening, cleaning the house, or playing with your kids can count as exercise if they get you moving and your heart pumping. Don't forget to stretch before and after your workout to prepare your muscles and aid in recovery. This helps prevent injuries and keeps your muscles flexible, ensuring you can continue to exercise regularly. And remember, any movement is better than none. Every little bit counts towards a healthier you. So lace up those sneakers, put on your workout gear, and get moving today.
Enjoy the delicious benefits of these immune-boosting foods. Your body will thank you for the extra care and attention.
When you sleep, your body produces cytokines, which are proteins that target infection and inflammation. Prioritizing sleep is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. The goal is to signal to your body that it's time to rest. Make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. A comfortable mattress and pillows also make a big difference. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Instead, opt for activities that relax your mind and body. If you have trouble falling asleep, try natural sleep aids like chamomile tea or lavender essential oil. These can help calm your mind and prepare your body for rest. Remember, quality sleep is just as important as quantity. So, focus on creating a sleep-friendly environment and establishing a routine that promotes restful sleep. Your immune system will thank you.
So let's recap the top 5 natural ways to boost your immune system in just 24 hours. 1. Hydrate well. Start your day with water and keep sipping throughout. 2. Load up on vitamin C. Fresh fruits and vegetables are your best friends. 3. Get moving. A light 20 to 30-minute exercise session does wonders. 4. Eat immune-boosting foods. Garlic, turmeric, ginger, almonds, and greens are perfect choices. 5. Prioritize sleep. It's the easiest way to recharge your immune defenses.
All right, friends. Those are 5 easy steps to give your immune system a boost in just one day. The best part? These aren't just tips for a quick boost. They're habits that, if you keep up, will help you stay healthy all year round. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone you care about. We'd love to hear from you in the comments too. Which tip are you excited to try first?
And remember, a strong immune system starts with small, everyday actions. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself. See you next time for more health and wellness inspiration. Until then, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep smiling.